Let us learn how to create this 4-step medical process diagram, which is quite easy to create using PowerPoint Morph. Let us jump right in. I am Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. We help doctors and educators present their ideas better. Let us go to Shapes, pick up the rectangle tool, draw a thin horizontal line like so, give it black color, align object's middle. Then let us go to Shapes, pick up the oval tool, draw an oval like this, give it yellow color and shape outline white, and then increase the weight to 2 1/4 points, and then press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and place this right on top of the previous one. Select both of them, ensure that they are properly aligned and press Ctrl G to create a group. Then press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and make sure that it is somewhere to the center, and then press Ctrl D again and we have got our third one. Adjust the position of the oval in such a way that there is enough place available for us to write some text. So I'm going to move this to the left. Make sure that everything is aligned properly. And then these three are also equidistant. So I'm going to use this one called as distribute horizontally option. Now let us select everything and press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup them. Now we have two yellow dots, one on top of the other, and the same is the case here as well. Let us duplicate the slide. Now we are going to expand our first step. So let us select this. Let us increase the size of this by going to shape format. From 2.74, I'm going to choose 4 as the diameter, and let us do the same thing for 4. Now I'm going to make sure that it is perfectly aligned on top, and then hold the shift button down and move it to the down here. And then let us give it a different outline color, maybe a dark orange color like this. And then let us add our icon. So let us go to Insert, Icons, and you can choose any of the medical icons. These are just representational. You can choose something that is exactly matching your specific requirements. And let us place this over here. And then let us write our text to the right. And now we have got our first step shown. We are going to have this labeled as number 1. Let us change the font color to black. And then let us choose a thicker font like 2cent MT condensed extra bold and choose 28 as the size. Now that looks perfect. Now let us select this and go to transitions, add morph transition to the duration of around 0.5 seconds. Now I'm going to right click and duplicate the slide. We're going to do the exact same step here. Let us select this, change the shape format size to 4 and hit enter. Make sure that it is placed right on top of the previous one. You can see the crosshairs here. Then hold the shift button down and move it so it goes right on top, and then leave it. And once again, make the outline as this dark orange color. Add your icon and the text. Now we have got our second step in place. Just as we did to the previous one, let us select this, go to the format painter, and then click on this and then write number 2. So whatever is the format here gets painted here. Now let us duplicate the slide and do the one last step. Select this, as always, go here and change this to 4 and change this to 4. Perfect, the alignment is proper. Dark orange outline, and then add your icon and the text. Now the third step is done. Select this, use the format painter and click on this and use number 3. Let us go to the start. On a click, this is the first step, second step in the process, third step in the process. It is that simple. And if you're a doctor who wants to make better presentations effortlessly, we have a useful product called Medical Presentations Bundle. The link to the product is in the description box below the video. Please check it out. And in another video, I've created this tutorial to help you showcase 3 definitions and the corresponding icons like this. It's a very useful tutorial. I will leave a link to that right now on your screen. Please watch this next. I'll see you inside this video next.